Well, hi guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I got a quickie tip for you. Don't mind the noise on the rain on the roof, we're loving it. Means we get to take full showers tomorrow. Still haven't got our well done yet. But here's the tip. Sometimes when you're replacing a fuel line, it's too big for the fitting on the carburetor. In this case, this one had to be replaced because the hole in the fuel tank was too small for it to fit snugly. So what I did was I took a piece of the line that came with the carburetor, and if you look closely, you'll see that it feeds up inside there. See that? Hopefully it'll focus. So it fits inside of there. You have to twist it in. It's a snug fit. And then you pull it down over here and you got it working in both ways. Just a quick tip from the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. Thanks for watching, commenting, and for subscribing. And now let's see, does the plunger work? Oh yeah, look at that, and the return works as well, and no leak. Thanks for watching. Bye now.